Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa without onion and garlic, updated. Start by roasting tomatoes and peppers until charred, then cool and peel. Seed peppers if you want milder heat. Combine with cilantro, lime juice, salt, and a touch of sugar to balance acidity. Pulse gently in a blender or chop by hand for texture. Taste and adjust salt, lime, or peppers. Serve chilled or at room temperature with chips. Use ripe Roma or plum tomatoes for body and sweetness. Use roasted poblano or jalapeno for heat control. Add chopped cilantro and fresh lime juice for brightness, plus a teaspoon of sugar if tomatoes are acidic. Use smoked paprika or cumin for depth instead of garlic, and a splash of olive oil for silkiness. Keep salt gradual and taste often. Serve within 2 days for best flavor and freshness. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy these tips, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Also, check out the socks I'm wearing. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a small comfort for long kitchen shifts. Look in the description for the link and more deals. Thanks so much for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Roasting vegetables on high heat builds smoky flavor. Char skins, but cool quickly to stop cooking. When blending, pulse to reach desired texture and avoid overprocessing into a puree. For food safety, refrigerate salsa within 2 hours and use clean utensils to avoid contamination. Store in airtight containers for up to 5 days, or freeze small portions for longer keeping. Thaw in refrigerator before serving. Label containers with date to track freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.